Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, September 9, 2021. Today is the official rollover day for the index futures. So if you trade futures contracts, today's the official day for rollover. You don't have to roll over today. I will not be rolling over, but I'll probably do it tomorrow, maybe even Monday. We'll see. But today's the official day, and that's something that we can test, and that is what we will be looking at this morning in Discover. So let me go ahead and set this up. I'm going to select all four instruments. The setup is going to be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading lower, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to this study here. I'm going to hit gap down from gap direction, and then I'm going to go into the indicator section, and I'm just going to add one moving average, try to keep as many samples as possible because rollover day only happens 4 times a year. So I'm just going to put above a 200. We'll keep this as simple as possible and then go into the market events and add that today is rollover day. So let me grab that from the active today, equity index futures rollover. I've grabbed it. It comes from right there in the market events. Now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you gap down on rollover day and are above a 200-day simple moving average. So we've got 22 samples in the S&P, 23 in the NASDAQ, 21 in the Dow, and 13 in the Russell. And win rates on these, very mixed. I'm not seeing anything of interest here. The S&P coming in exactly at 50%, the NASDAQ 57%, the Dow 57%, and the Russell 38%. If we look at the average wins and average losses, they've got some outliers that took place. In fact, last year on rollover day, I believe it was last year or the year before, last September, when was that? Last year, let me look at the view daily charts real quick, and let me see if I can find it. So that was last June on rollover day, a giant trend down day. That was almost 100 points of range. That's what I was looking for. I remember having a huge trending down day on rollover day, and it looks like that was last June. You can see the date right there. But that's showing up here in the equity curve as well, and that is an outlier that's skewing some of these numbers and making these average losses look very large here for the S&P and for the NASDAQ. So both of those have larger average losses. Dow caught that as well, and then you can see the Russell has a larger average win compared to its average losses. But we don't have very big sample sizes for this day. It doesn't happen very often, and the win rates here are pretty mixed, but we have recently had some sizable moves on rollover day, so that is certainly possible. Not saying it's going to happen today, but just keeping that in the back of your mind. We've had some giant moves on this day here in recent history. So honestly, not seeing a whole lot here of interest when it comes to win rates or anything like that in the stats. Looks pretty mixed to me, but hopefully you found that helpful anyway. Just FYI, if you are rolling today, I believe the difference between the December contract and the September contract is about 9.25 points for the S&P. So the December contract is lower by 9.25 points for the Z1 contract if you're rolling. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.